AI tools for make your video shorter. Everybody wants their long video to make it shorter so they can upload on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So you don't need to use this anymore. So now we have one software that is totally free, which can help you to make your long form video into a short form. It's totally free. You don't need to pay any single penny like this video, because this video offer you some videos are free at beginning and then they're gonna charge you more money after that. So you don't need to use it. So which software we're going to talk about? It's called AI Video Cut, and in a couple of minutes I will show you how you can do it exactly. I am doing my long video into a short video and upload on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, anywhere I want to upload it. So we're gonna go to see that software, and I'm gonna provide you the link of that software. And it's an online website. It's not an AI tool like a app or software. It's an online website. You just go there, paste your YouTube link, and that's it. Boom. So here's this software called AI Video Cut. So they already mentioned turn long video into a trailer or whatever. So this video I just turned it without paying any single money, and this is a free unlimited. You can make unlimited free video in this, and there is only one restriction. It can provide you just 30-minute video. Like, you have to provide this software 30-minute video, and then it's gonna be cut it in half, and all information they write down here. And this seems like a very, this website made with the coding and all, but no, this is a very good, but the thing is, you can only make one video, like one short video at a time. So it's not like, good. It's a very good deal. It's a very good deal. Instead of these softwares, you have to pay them I know that they are making lots of video at once, like 4 or 5 video at one time. But you have to pay. After that, they're gonna give you 3 minutes, and then you have to pay. But in this software, you don't need to pay anything, and it will give you the script as well. So you can use this script anywhere. I just put one YouTube video link, and it's gonna make me a simple video. So I'll show you. So I'm gonna go back here. So it shows maximum length is 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. That's a lot. That's a lot. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube. So I'm gonna go to a YouTube and take any video. Like, I like a forest documentary. So I'm just gonna write it down, forest. Oh, yeah. And there you go, you have a video. It's 3 months old, and a good view on this video. So I'm just gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy this video and simply go there, paste that link. You can select this video type, trailer or just topics, and you can select here medium, long and short. So I'm gonna select a short, and you can select here aspect ratio 9:19, 16, 1:1, 16:9, and you just need to click on submit. This software will take time, but I'm gonna make you proper professional video without charging any single money and unlimited time. It's free unlimitedly. So why we don't just wait a minute? Oh, okay. So it's showing me error. The limit is actually the maximum total length of file is 30 minutes. So I just put over 30-minute video. Yeah, it's a 52. Yeah. So that's my mistake. So I'm gonna find a 30-minute video, which is hard, but I can find it. So I'm just gonna go to my history, because I already did find before, so I don't need to find it. So here's the video. I'm gonna simply copy here. Yeah, and gonna put here. And that's it, and simply click on it. Now it's gonna make a professional video without paying any single money. I know it will take time, but it's worth it. Why are you gonna pay these softwares that much? caption and everything with the script. And it will take 10 minutes to create, less than that, but it's worth it if you getting this unlimited time. I'm gonna show you this video. It's make me a 40-second video with the caption.
Cannibalism has been around for millenniums, but there's still one island where it is practiced to this day. Traveling to Papua Island in many ways is the pinnacle of exploration. So it is 6:01 a.m. and I am heading to West Papua, Indonesia to meet the Korowai tribe. This is Otis, a friend of a friend of a friend who is from Jayapura. We must take a domestic flight and you cannot book the tickets online. Only at an airline office, just like it's night.
So this software just analyze your video and make it proper way everything. And I don't think so you need any other software after that. And let me know in the comments below if you feel this is worth it or not. Because it only take your time and that's it. And then unlimited free you get it. You can upload anywhere you wanted to. Okay, I'll see you in next video. If you come here from my Medium blog, then thank you so much for that. See you in next video.